Hello, my name is Chris. I just gone through the Tube Mastery Monetization and I'm really impressed with the content and training. The new course from @Par is pretty comprehensive and leave no stone left unturned. Every module is easy to follow as a step-by-step training with videos, slides and more, and teach you everything from start to finish. I want to thank you, Matt, for making such a great course without any theory and fluff. Thank you.
Hi everybody, I just finished Matt's course, Tube Mastery and Monetization, and I only have amazing things to say about it. There are 3 things that I loved. And so the first thing is I absolutely love how value-packed yet concise all of the material is. He breaks it down into modules, which are broken down into lessons, and those lessons are not very long, but they're still crazy packed with information and amazing value. So number 2, what I loved is before I bought the course, I was really debating between Matt's Tube Mastery Monetization and another course. But what really pushed me over the edge to buying Matt's course was the customer service and his support. He genuinely wants to help his students and wants to see them succeed. And before buying his course, I sent him a DM on Instagram and I was just like, hey, I asked him a few questions about it. And he got back to me within like 10 minutes. And he gave me a really helpful response. He was so happy to help. And after buying the course, it was the exact same. When you're in the Facebook group, you ask a question, most likely he'll answer it. If not, somebody else will. Like I have never asked a question or put something in the group and worried about if anyone would see it or if it would get answered, because he goes on to the group every single day and answers most of the questions, and it's great. And so the third thing that I loved is Matt is like 18 or 19 years old. He's the same age as me. And seeing where he is compared to where I am right now, it's a huge difference, but he is so inspiring and encouraging. And like every time he's teaching you something, you're just, or at least me personally, I was thinking like, oh my gosh, I could be where he is. And so that's really inspiring. So yeah. I highly recommend this course. I would recommend it to anyone who wants to make money online. And yeah.
Hello everybody, my name is Brandon. I recently finished Matt's YouTube course and I can't tell you how much I've learned. I'm somewhat of a beginner and I'm so excited and confident that I can grow a couple YouTube channels and start making money, and I just cannot wait. Now, if you're fairly new to YouTube, this is definitely the place to be. And I feel like even if you've been around YouTube for some time, there's definitely some stuff that you can learn. So I hope this helps everybody, and best of luck.
Hi, my name is Claire. I just finished Matt's course within the last 3 days, and I must say I'm very impressed in how detailed and how easy it is to understand. For me, English is not my first language, and I'm not really that tech savvy, but I was able to understand everything, and I'm about to start to implement the strategies and tactics from the course. Surprisingly, after going through every lesson in the course, YouTube doesn't seem to be that complex for me anymore. I'm really glad I made the decision to join it. But if you're not tech savvy like I am, don't worry about it. After you enroll, you will have access to the Facebook group for the members of the program, where it's very easy for you to post a question and you can get the answer that you want. If you are like me, you have all the basic questions that you're too shy to ask, you can always search in the community and you're more than likely to get the answer that you want, because it's very likely that someone else has had the same question. So I hope to see you there.
Hey guys, I just finished Matt's course and I want to recommend it. I like the way that it's so detailed and easy to follow step by step. And I want to recommend it to everyone who wanting to start the YouTube business. He's a very good teacher and he's opened a Facebook group that you can get a lot of help from, even from himself. And I just like the way that he also references to other YouTubers, so you can see how much potential there is in different niches. And yeah, I just highly recommend this course to everyone. Thanks. Bye.